My name is Reed Allen. I'm with Caddo Kiowa Technology Center's Pre-Engineering Department. Today we have some students out to drone an area of land nearby our campus. While we're droning this land, we are actually taking survey data. The survey data includes elevation data points that we use AI to stitch together. The program that uses the AI is called Drone Deploy. It's a service that we got for free through Drone Deploy's educational program, and we're actually going to use this survey data to see where the runoff would be that would cause erosion in this area. It's a lot of fun. I think my kids are enjoying it, and we hope that it comes out great.